Hello, wonderful viewers. It's a new day, and today we're going to learn how you use the basic block in doing that manipulation. This is Vika's Secret, and as you view, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. In my first video, I taught you how to do the basic block detailed, and out of the first video, we have this beautiful basic block from the shoulder to waist, and we're going to use this. I'm going to use this in teaching you how to do different dart manipulations. Please, let's begin. So first of all, the materials that you need in doing the dart manipulation is you need your basic block and your ruler, your pencil, your paper cutting scissors, and your tape measure as well. Okay, so what we will do first is that we already have the waist dart here, and we have the bust dart with our grain line on fold because we're working on quarter scale. So what you're going to do is that you're going to extend the tip of your bust dart, okay? Extend the tip of your bust dart, and then you extend the tip of your waist dart as well. So you can see, okay? And where the 2 points meet together is called the apex. Where the 2 points meet together is called the apex. Okay, so that the second thing that we're going to do is that we are starting with the dart manipulation, and we will start with the center front neck. Okay, and so from this tip you rule a straight line to the apex. Okay, from this tip you rule a straight line to the apex, and this line is called the center front neck. Okay, and then the next one that we're going to do is that we find the middle of the neckline. Okay, so you can use your tape to find the middle of the neckline. All right, and as you can see, my neckline is 4.5, and so my neckline is 4.5. So finding the middle is 2.25, and that is it. So I will use my ruler to rule from the middle of the neckline to the apex. Okay, so this one is the mid neck. Okay, and the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to find the middle of my shoulder. Okay, I'm finding the middle of my shoulder. So the shoulder is 458. Okay, 458. So the middle of the shoulder is going to be 2.5 bar. Okay, 2.5. Then you add 2 bar to it. As you can see, it's here. Sorry, it's 2.25, and then 2 bar, 2.25, and 2 bar. Okay, so you rule a straight line into the apex. And this is called the mid shoulder. All right, so the next one that we're going to do is that we are going to rule a straight line from the tip of the shoulder into our apex. Okay, the tip of the shoulder into our apex. So we start from here, the tip of the shoulder. And this line is called the shoulder tip. Okay, the shoulder tip. The next one we're going to do is we find the mid of the armhole. All right, this is the armhole. So we find the mid of the armhole. You use your tape measure to get the mid of the armhole, and the mid of the armhole is already 7. So the middle of the armhole is 3.5. Okay, so mark 3.5 here, and then you use your ruler to rule from the middle of the armhole into the apex. And this side is called mid armhole. Okay. Now it's taken from the side seam. Okay, we take it from the side seam And that one, we're going to put a dot together. You take it from here to here is 7.5, okay? So even if it's 7, it's going to be 3.5 plus quarter. So you're going to 3.5 with quarter is 358, okay? And we get it. And this one, take it from here, okay? And then join the apex. So this one is a side seam, okay? And the next one that we're going to do is that we take it from, we divide the side seam into 2, okay? So from here to here is 3.5 divided into 2. We're going to get 158, okay? That's the division of here to here, 158 into the apex. And this side is called a French seam. Okay. And the last one is that we're going to, this is the center front. Okay, so we're finding the mid of the center front, okay? So take use a tape measure to rule. You can see that from the neck to my center front is 13.25. Okay, it's 13.25, and 13 is 6.5, and quarter. If you divide quarter into 2, you're going to get 2 bar. Okay, 13.25, 13 is 6.5, and then quarter into 2, you get 2 bar. So I mark that one 2 here. And this one is my center front bust. So the next one, which is also the last one that we are doing, is we're taking from the tip of the waist at the center front, okay, into the apex. Okay, all right, so that is the last one. And this one is the center front waist. So my viewers, those are the dot manipulations that we're going to use in creating different styles and ideas. And I would want you to keep on watching the next video, because we're going to get more designs from what we have done right now. So for the meantime, we're going to work on one for you to see how the whole thing came about. Please stay tuned.